Cheesy sauce time. All right, gather your vegetables. We're going to boil the carrots, potatoes, and onions in a pot. Boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes. And just wait for it to become soft. All right, Nadia, come on. Okay, it's done. Put it in a blender along with the veggie broth with milk, almond milk, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, sea salt. Gotta have salt. Gotta taste really good. Okay. Lemon. You need your lemon. Blend it up. Oh, it's ready. Perfect. Oh, this is optional. You can add the sriracha. You can add the miso paste. It's optional. You don't have to do this, but I did because I'm extra. Okay, blend it. Do I like it? That's the question. Do I like it?
Try it again.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
I like it. Pour it over your pasta. Set some to the side. And bam! You eat. Okay. Hello. Okay. Yes. Do I like it? Heck yeah.